So hello guys, welcome to my channel, and here is one of the best prompt that I have written for you all guys. Just you can view out here. Actually I have written this prompt because I don't want to make your time wasteful, because the ChatGPT server is down most of the time. And let's get started to the video without wasting our time. So let's say if you want to build any of the startup, how you are going to do with the ChatGPT that I have explained in this video. And please don't skip, because each and every word that I am going to speak will be worth it for you all guys. So this is the prompt that I have written. First I will read out what I have written. I have written, create a list of 3 startup ideas in B2B SaaS model, that is software as a service. The startup idea should have a strong and compelling mission and also use AI in some way. Avoid cryptocurrency and blockchain, because I don't want it to do in that field. The startup idea should have a cool and interesting name. The idea should be compelling enough so that the investor will be excited to invest $1 million without doing any due diligence. So basically we are telling the ChatGPT to tell the name of a startup as well as what it is going to do. So here, as we have mentioned here, 3 startups. So the ChatGPT have given with the 3 exciting ideas. You can see here. First one is algorithmics. Second is AI assist. Even the name, just you can see the guys, the ChatGPT is suggesting that. And brain boost. So then you can read out. So I have said I will go with the algorithmics. It is a B2B SaaS startup that uses AI to help companies optimize and automate their supply chain process. Then algorithmics help business make data-driven decisions, and also it reduces the cost and improve the efficiency of the supply chain operations in the particular company. So that problem we are going to solve in the algorithmic startup. So I said here, say I would go with the first idea, algorithmics. Come up with a 10-slide pitch deck for a startup that would make the investors $1 million without any due diligence. I said I want to approach one of the investor, and for that you are going to prepare the script how I can approach the investor for that way. So here is the PPT that the ChatGPT have given along with the title, then what is the problem slide, then solution to that problem, then market opportunity, like we are making the estimation of the market in which our startup is going to be implemented. So here you can see the product, then the customer testimonials, then team slide, then revenue model of our business, and the conclusion slide, because this pitch deck we are going to present to any of the investor that is willing to invest in a startup. So this was one of the best script that the ChatGPT have given us. You can even try the startup which is second number, and you can tell, please give me the pitch deck for the second startup that you have suggested. So this is one of the best method, and I am going to almost use even to start my startup. The ChatGPT will be very much playing an important role in that. And then after that I have said, say algorithmics gets invited to interview a YC, that is Y Combinator, and this is the particular venture capitalist who invest in the startups that are worldwide. Then come up with a list of answers to the 10 most common questions YC Combinator interview. So the answer should be in detailed and quantitative. I have told the ChatGPT. So just see guys, if you are a co-founder of particular company, the ChatGPT is already suggesting you prepare these questions and these answers if the investor in the YC will approach you. Isn't that very amazing? So you can see what is algorithmics and what problem does it solve. Okay, if the investor asks this, just you can read one time how to present that particular answer to the investor. So you can read out these questions, and who is your target market and how big is the opportunity. So guys, you can see even the numbers here. Here it is telling the compounded annual growth rate is 7.5%, So it's very amazing. It is given you even the stats outlook. So these are some of the 10 questions that the investor might ask you. So continue from the last conversation, start with the seeking, because here the ChatGPT got breakup. So this was my you can say prompt that I have given to the ChatGPT, and I have been amazed with the amazing results. So this video is sponsored by aiconvo.in. So basically, if you are not interested, you can just leave out. I am not forcing you to be here. So basically, I have created one of the particular course, that is 101 ways to make money with the help of ChatGPT. So that is the particular course that AI Convo have approved onto their platform. I would love to give the link of the course into the description. If you are interested, definitely go check out. I'm not saying just go and buy, but if you see here curriculum, just you will get to know how detailed I have made the course. So here there are around 101 professions that I have used ChatGPT along with the prompts that I have showed into 101 videos. Like for example, you can see ChatGPT as an advertiser, then ChatGPT as a UX developer, then how to use ChatGPT as a life coach. Each and every prompt I have given you, and here is the list of all the professions or the ChatGPT is going to act. So here are the 101 professions. So if you are interested, please go check out. The course is worth 1899, but if you use the code ELON20, you will get 400 rupees off, that is 21%. So yeah guys, you can go and check out the website. And yeah, this was the video that how you can make the use of ChatGPT if you are building any particular SaaS product or any of the startup. So thank you for watching videos. Till then, bye. I will meet you into the next video, and thank you for watching till here. Thank you.